Hello everyone, I'm Kinde from University of Gondar, Ethiopia, at the lead instructional designer at Spicely Space Sport Kids. I have conducted a comprehensive needs assessment to investigate the recent performance challenge faced by the help desk team. This analysis aims to identify the specific performance gaps, explore their root causes, and determine whether training interventions are appropriate to improve customer service outcomes. By examining multiple data sources, including company metrics, direct observation, and employee interview, I seek to provide evidence-based recommendations that address both skill deficiency and systemic issue impacting help desk efficiency and effectiveness. As you have seen on the graph from the slide, the key gaps are excessive call handling time. Actually, it is taken up to 9 minutes on average, and even sometimes up to 10 minutes, but the desired one only 5 minutes. And the resolution or call resolution is actually only 72%, but desired 90% has to be reached. This matrix confirm customer dissatisfaction from long hold times and repeat calls, indicating a clear performance gap in both efficiency and effectiveness. Two root causes are identified: system delay and lack of training. Multiple sources needs assessment reveals a mix of systemic and skill-based issues. Systemic delay performance observation showed technicians frequently pausing due to slow computer systems, and which leads frustration. And the second one is lack of training. Interviews with technicians like Mr. Justin highlighted a critical knowledge deficiency. After we identified the root causes, we targeted instruction on the new product. Example, quick reference guides and simulations could be to boost first call resolution by empowering technicians with accurate product knowledge. However, maybe the training only is not sufficient, so that systemic fixes such as IT upgrade for system speed are prerequisite. In the end, I have recommendations. My recommendations have a two-phase approach. The first one is immediate IT intervention to reduce systemic lag, and my second recommendation is development and deployment of a conscious 2-hour micro-learning module on the new product. And finally, I propose to Mr. Spicely, the owner, conducting a full root cause analysis workshop with the team next week. And I look forward to peers' insight on balancing technology fix versus training intervention. And thank you for your attention.